Yeah, you can point over here, all that. Show it off. Nice back here. That's a good shot of Billy going through it.
And people say, that's some crazy wild boy. Wow, it's on camera.
Like that, didn't it?
A hole in the roof.
Yeah. Hey, how y'all doing?
How y'all doing?
Tell you what, I got a Ford F-250 in the house that has independent front suspension on it. It's soft, man. I want to do stuff like this.
That's a big old whirlpool right there.
Dang. I know what that is. It's my spare tire thing right there. One rock sticking up, looks like a tire gear. There we go, made it through.
Yeah.